The Internal Control Framework of COSC 2013 is a standard used to help organizations establish and maintain effective internal control systems. The COSC 2013 framework consists of 5 components and 17 principles as follows. 1. Control environment. The control environment is the foundation of internal control, representing the organization, culture, and atmosphere that influence employee awareness of the importance of internal control. This includes ethics, values, clearly defined roles and responsibility, and oversight by senior management and the board of directors. The 5 principles of the control environment. 1. Promoting integrity and ethical value within the organization. 2. Designing appropriate organizational structure. 3. Effectively managing human resources. 4. Oversight by the board of directors or senior management. 5. Responsibility for relevant internal controls. 2. Risk assessment. Risk assessment involves identifying risks that may arise and affect the achievement of organizational objectives. After identifying the risks, the organization evaluates the potential impact and likelihood of these risks accordingly, then develops strategies to manage them. The 4 principles of risk assessment. 1. Establishing clear objectives. 2. Identifying and assessing risks. 3. Considering the impact of organizational change. 3. Control activities. Control activities involve establishing and implementing measures to prevent and mitigate risks. This includes policy, procedure, or mechanisms that ensure operations are conducted in line with the organizational goals, such as approvals, internal audits, and the separation of duty. The 3 principles of control activities. 1. Designing and implementing control activities. 2. Segregating duty and responsibilities. 3. Designing and enforcing appropriate control policies. 4. Information and communication. Effective communication of necessary information related to the internal control must be timely and appropriate, allowing all levels of the organization to understand and follow internal control procedure effectively. The 3 principles of information and communication. 1. Identifying and gathering relevant information. 2. Internal communication within the organization. 3. External communication with stakeholders. 5. Monitoring activity. Monitoring and evaluating the effectiveness of internal control is a continuous process, which includes assessing the adequacy of controls and making improvements when issues or deficiencies are identified. The 2 principles of monitoring activities. 1. Continuously evaluating the quality of internal control. 2. Taking corrective action when deficiencies are found.